5 self-made millionaires revealed their #1 secret to success. From self-made millionaires who have done it, here are 5 ways to boost your wealth. 1. Be willing to place big bets. Mark Zuckerberg. When the newsfeed feature launched on Facebook in 2006, protesters yelled for the social network to revert to its prior state. Zuckerberg is pleased with his staff for refusing to budge in the face of public criticism. The CEO says, "One of the things I'm most proud of at Facebook is that we constantly think things can be better, and we're ready to make significant investments if we feel it will benefit our community in the long term." Newsfeed is one of the huge bets we've taken in the last 10 years that has most radically changed our community and the internet as a whole. 2. Create multiple income streams. Grant Cardone. Grant Cardone, a self-made billionaire who is in debt before becoming wealthy, asserts that you won't get wealthy unless you have several sources of income. Your existing income is where it all begins. Boost that revenue and start incorporating more streams. Symbiotic fluids are what you yearn for. Avoid just adding random flows. Find alternative strategies to boost your present income instead. My video man makes commercials for me, and once he proved himself, he started doing commercials for others connected to me. He didn't start a donut shop. 3. You must first pay yourself. David BACH. There is one proven easy method to become rich, and that is to pay yourself first, claims self-made billionaire and best-selling author David BACH. That simply implies that you pay yourself first when you make $1, according to BACH in The Automatic Millionaire. Most people don't do this. When they have money, most individuals pay their bills first before paying themselves. They make payments to the government, telephone provider, credit card company, landlord, and other entities, according to BACH. They pay themselves whatever is left over. Making it automated, or having money deducted from your paycheck and sent directly to your savings, retirement, or investment account is the key to paying yourself first. Because, as BACH puts it, you can't spend what you don't have in your pocket. 4. Dream big. Richard Branson. According to a blog post written by Richard Branson, dreaming is one of humanity's greatest gifts. It supports desire, inspires creativity, leads to change, and moves the world forward. What a miserable and half-lived existence we would have in a world without dreams, where there would be no creativity, no exploration, no moon landing, no female CEOs, and no civil rights. The worth of dreaming is not only judged by the end, but also by the inspiration that results from the process of realizing the goal, thus the advantages exceed the apparent risks, according to this statement. 5. Focus is everything. Steve Jobs. He had a concentration unlike any other, says Tim Cook, explaining why Steve Jobs was the person who affected him the most. According to Cook, the renowned CEO of Apple's ability to prioritize helped him to focus so intently, his mind was so pure, he wasn't trying to enhance his fortune or anything else. Hope this video helped to change the way you think about success. Do not be someone who just watched and forget. Act on it and be successful in life. Thanks for watching.